Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects and Photoshop. Let's get started. So first step, open Photoshop and File, Open, select this our image and open. In this time we need to create layers for animation in After Effects. One layer for this eye white, one layer for this black eye, and eye water, main character, and background layer. Okay, let's go. Welcome back. Let's go to project window and right mouse, import and file. Select this Photoshop file and change import as to composition retain layer size and click import. Again select this retain layer size, click OK. Let's open this composition and let's see, enable layers, change quarter to full. Okay, so in this time let's click this button toggle switch modes and select these all layers without background, click 3D layer icon. Okay, then right mouse, new, let's create new camera and click OK. Select camera, right mouse and camera, let's create orbit null for control this camera settings. Nice. Then select this null object, hold control and click this icon for move to anchor point to center. Great. And select this null object, press P, make new position keyframe and go to 6 seconds, press N for select work area and zoom object. Okay, let's select this background and make 3D layer. Okay, so let's go to here, change active camera to top and select this background, press P, move to back and select this main, press P. Let's select this eye white and eye black and this water, eye water, parent to this main character. Select this main, move to back here. Okay, and go to here again, change active camera. Okay, select this background, press S, change scale and select this main character, press S, change scale. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice, not bad. So in this time select this eye black, eye white and layer W, right mouse, precoms and change name eye, click OK. Open this composition and select layer, click this icon for exit solid layer and select this eye white, Ctrl D for duplicate, select this eye black, move to center these white layers, then click toggle switch and change none to alpha matte. Let's see. Okay, nice. Select this eye white, press S. Okay, and select this eye white, press S. parent to this scale, eye white scale. Okay, and click this icon and make scale keyframe, change scale like this. Okay, let's move to here. Press S, change scale. Okay, back to eye. Let's change scale and see here. Okay, nice. Size is good for this face. Back to eye and change scale. Okay, go to here and change scale again, this size. Make keyframes easy is, let's see. Okay, and select this layer height. Let's back to image and see full project. Okay, nice. Back to eyes composition and select this eye black. Press P, make new position keyframe. Go to 4 keyframe, 1, 2, 3, 4, and move to left. Make keyframes easy is, let's see. Okay, and go to here again, make new keyframe. Go to 4 keyframes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and move to down. Let's see. Back to composition. Okay. Then select this layer V, enable. Okay. And go to mask. Masking this layer. And open mask. Select mask path. Let's select selection tool and move to up. Then make mask path animation, new keyframe. Go to here and hold shift, move to down. Okay, and change mask feather 35 or 15. Let's see. Okay, and go to first keyframe. Let's cut layer. Okay, back to here. Okay, not bad. So let's select this eye and click 3D layer icon and select this main character, press P, select and Ctrl C, back to eye, press P and select this, Ctrl V. And let's move to back this eye. Okay, and move to left and up. Okay, press S, change scale 100. Again, move to down and right. Okay, nice. So let's create new light. Right mouse, new and light. Select this light type spot and click OK. Then open options and we can control the light here. Okay, let's go to 3 seconds and make new keyframes. All these keyframes for new position, new rotation, and Z, Y, R rotations. Go to first second and change rotation. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's change X rotation again down and Y rotation. Okay, and open light options, change color red. Okay, and in this time make color keyframe, go to here and change color white, not white, light blue. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's select this eye, move to right. Okay, not bad. Okay, not bad. Let's close options this light. Okay, then let's create new background, solid layer, add name background 2. Click OK and move to here and click 3D layer icon. Then select this background, Photoshop layer, press P, select coordinates, Ctrl C, and select this background too, press P, select this and Ctrl V. And let's press S, scale size. Okay, change size. Okay, nice. Then go to FX presets and open this folder, animation presets and background folders. Select this approbation and let's use for this background and see. Okay, let's select this arrow and move to here. Okay, select this background too, move to left. Again, move to left. Okay, and press U for keyframes. Select these keyframes, Ctrl C, and go to last keyframe, Ctrl V for loop animation. And select these keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time, select this background, press T, make opacity keyframe, move to left this keyframe, go to here and change 0. Let's see. Okay, nice. Go to effect presets, search effect drop shadow and use for this main character. Okay, change opacity, change softness. Okay, nice. Let's see. So nice. Okay, thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.